But what they told me, that's the distributor, is that it's important for this particular big vehicle that the props are really screwed on nice and tight. And the orange...
This one here.
Mount. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the most important thing.
Oh. Stay there. Alright, what's up you guys? Today we've decided to actually get us a drone. So Molly's gonna come with me. We're going to underwater Australia. Last time I went there and asked them about the price and, you know, the service they provide for customers and all that. So everything's been made clear, and they have contact in Victoria, and they're gonna support their customers in terms of warranty, in terms of broken parts, and yeah, let's get into it. Let's get our drone. Someone's always excited. Let's go. Oh, Rubisher. Where are we going, Miles? Where are we going? Alright.
Right, so there's the baby.
Yeah, just gonna introduce you to Tim. Tim owns the Underwater Australia, guys.
Hello. So
it's a big drone.
you've got the big drone.
Yeah.
You got your feet that it doesn't drown.
Yeah.
You've got the one battery that slides here, and the other battery also, when you want to carry it, it slides perfectly into this hole.
Ah, okay.
So it's great to carry both.
For the cell phone holder.
Oh yeah, of course.
Something like that.
That's that. And then props are in the side, 2 pairs.
Yeah.
And these are your spares. So always make sure that the orange prop goes on the orange
This one here.
mount. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the most important thing. And read the manual before using it and charge all the batteries. So it comes with a little bit of spares and all the screwdriver that you need, and charger cables.
Yeah.
Charger cable for the remote, and the other charger, the big charger, is I'm pretty sure lives under here. So there, the drone flies out, and everything is in nice inner, fits in here. Where's the other charger? Oh, see?
That's the main charger.
That's the main charger. Yeah. The hard part is when you forget how to put it all back in the box.
Yeah. That's good. We have it on camera, so I can see.
Yeah, you
how
can
it's done.
rewind and do it again.
Yeah. So can you?
So they call it a balance charger. All the cables are there, and it will tell you on the screen what it's going to do.
So these are the cables.
Yeah.
So now I need to remove the plastics for this.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, they just retract.
They just
them, right? Okay, so just put it there, red to red, black to black. Then this one goes to the battery straight, or?
These 3 go into here, into the charger. These 3 cables.
Yeah.
And this goes onto your battery.
This one here. Okay. Yeah.
And then this obviously goes in the PowerPoint.
Yeah.
And then when you bring it back, you just got to remember which way it lives, so that you can close it.
Okay. Yeah.
Say that it all nicely fits into the box. Back in here, it should just fit into the box again. It's always the hardest bit. No, this doesn't go in there.
That's the one for the camera.
That's the one for the camera. Here we go. Now then it flies back into its hole.
Yeah.
And that lives in here. This lives in here. There's your instructions, so make sure you read the instructions. And this is your 3rd pair of props.
Alright, so
I'm not sure if that fits.
with the prop, so it comes with
So it comes with two pairs, obviously.
3, 4, yeah.
4 props that you need. And then you can see that they have either a no color, or they're orange.
So that's the one for the orange.
Yeah,
and
that's right.
this one doesn't have the orange dot.
That's right. So he
because
always
there's
has
pairs.
one counterclockwise and one clockwise propeller. And in the other models, they write it on there, but in this model they don't. So you see, there's an A and there's an arrow, and there's an A, there's an arrow. So it goes on, and then you have to make sure that you screw this on properly before putting the battery in storage. You should always set the battery to the stored voltage. And so you basically read the manual and set it to not the full charged, but to the stored charged.
Yeah.
That gives you a long life of the batteries. And as I've also said before, cycle the batteries. So don't have one in the shelf that you never use and you only use that and this is your backup, because you will find that you want to run both batteries anyways. Once you make your flying, you're gonna go, I'm out today, I'm gonna change the batteries once I'm done. So you're always going to probably use them both, and then make sure that you cycle them. And when they're sold to us, they have serial numbers. So that they know if something happens, they're all registered with the distributor. So is your serial number here. This one here. That's your serial number for the drone. And that's your serial number for the battery. And that's the things that they would want to see if there was anything ever happening. But because you're buying it here, you're also welcome. If things go wrong and you feel that we can't help you and it needs to go back to service, you can bring it here.
So you mentioned it has a 1-year warranty?
Yes.
So,
And all the warranty conditions that are on the SwellPro.com website, and they also should be in here, and there's also a maintenance manual